ela mabongun ko to mayengun kangin roko jai to mai Airabet wo ke kakro romuya noa jana kinan ko nida jai ngone kereja kaita Henry Moit ijai tatamia kirona Paul no Uganda Paul no Teso ijai tatamia kirona kwa na kerianut ponelo idope koto mo white lwale mara tukisone jata tungara be frustration keda Teso ngesibia jaga to Moit tamajo wanya kone vocabulary la Teso so frustration ngasenyo akada kiniti ni lamara ATIOKISO ni lamara
ATIOKISO ni lamara
so
jekto sijo au misho do beren de para
ngunu ngesije enyamka kupana ne koto musawalo ido Uganda just kede about 75% of the young generation and 75 of this young generation erasi tungale rasi frustrated eri tungale jasi keda ATIOKISO no mamji pedora misikin idolijo ikara kaisare kwa naparashano ekoto yo jaske de Togo ekoto yo jaske de simulelai ekoto yo momona emanya beru ekoto yo pedore kwa na gang tungalu okale kon iboro kaun so by the time buru lukerelo marta damane tungana lema motor ke da swam etungana lema motor ke de ponelo adumuna ikapun EPUAKATA kirone ja unosto madama. Now this brings the question of what can be done to save this young generation. Na repedore mo itunga kira mumur.
Onachomoya. Ejasiboro lupotu yatakina luti pedoni asoma ngara kena itunga. Repero itunga asoma ngara kena alemare frustration sungun. Na soliti ijona ne elimu nitibonebi akrono iwages. Ekotokini apugani tu NHI atakin amone ponelo I deploying at Thapalu aswamsini onachemo ya alimani jo oroni boni the 75% of the youth of the population of Uganda are youth, as you've said, and you realize there is a certain percentage of those youth who are land shumitosinoi poloda 80% kwenye mametaso msini. I will give you an example of people who have left Kampala and gone back to the village. Nagiona matajun dai muroki ni bonne shemto somero amerabe nguna kotunyisida at the level e kotokina pugana ay tama me pedori anyin bonebe e muni tetunga ndubule tonga somsine Robert mutaso msineida ongole ya bonebe yes adomo moya swam arege otibera somo kopane eropili jaki no yesi it's okay konyeda omo karuni wongon first you me jomo ya bero jomo yekoko mami kapunu wege from moya some pedo ta konai ay ngaraki no moya to manage those other circumstances. So a JLP apugani to monitor how many of us are not in a formal job sector and maybe try to place us there. Then after placing us there, to reduce on this frustration, let's see, after karuni wangon sometonganana yatakisitweni nidio kapun yata nikinite even if you added in 20% of what he has been earning, it's better. Edumuni bonebe nara ijeni jikapun asomai kolongo somenwa kada delight company bala eka boss de panel mono. The problem we have here is not money. Nara kopana yata kinwa jikapunuda. I mean no yata kinwa jikapunda kopana umamija hata ulamu no tomasomo jepo pejaro. The problem we sometimes have is we get more challenges as we grow than the money we get. So there is a need for government to move in that line. So the more you keep that money, 600,000, 700,000, 1 million shillings for a person who has gotten a wife and living in Kampala, definitely if he's a good man, he's not a corrupt person, definitely he will be frustrated that he is not being well helped. Then the other one, the second thing is that I'm talking, that is for Akrono Onilo in a formal kind of understanding. Now let's look at the other people who are, we poor, and the majority of us who are in up country. Kotokini itunga adumunu arerengona are ejja ijo group nulo PDM lu. Ule watapugana bikani kine kapunu. Idumone kapunu lu edo kotokini tunga to make the best use of this money. It is the only way at time to rapugan alemu noni alemu netunga nani lo kwop otomochianity. Kwenye idumuni jo. That is why we had always asked Bonebe, before this money reaches to these people need to be sensitized. Kutobera alnerkede tungalu. Narai, ejitunga chokisho. Ejitunga chokisho. Lobia ni eki atla nomi a minister. Ebaka ebe, we concluded Bonebe ajaskila chokisho adamake. But you see, at the same time we also know Bonebe ajaskila beruna apote, ajaskila apeseni. You get it, eh? So idumuni jo areje ibora jada mada it doubled. So idumuni tunga dalwa chalo lero kija ekini kapunu PDM lu e busa kinditi al mwen kes bonibe areje ibra pesa ne jaida areje attraction me jada hold a bit, but ibika kijibore ni kope jenle bura jora bonibe wota ja kone aso mi chebore hold a bit and then okoriki ida korikin olem tacha pesa na pake jira kidinyo ni idiobore idoti tungali monikini ichokishon idoti tungali mokinda bonebe betting mambo ti joke serono kwenye mambika ini kapuno kerahi. We have seen people who have sold motorcycles because of betting in the Bukedia and what have you, and so on, and the person gets back to frustration. So if he gets access to this small money, $1 million or 2 million shillings, and PDM le peroratika pununa porra narai ejitunga chukisho. So busa kineti tunga ali moneke na kiro etwen lo kopula ije lebe tamia dauni kapunulu na tamita pugan ba okonya nasema tamita pugan kora kinetunga na ngone pole betra eto somi kapunulu. It's another way we can try to reduce frustration. Then let's talk to people the benefits of hard work. The benefits of hard work. Opongo se tunga soma aguko. EPUAKATA tungo town or trading centers more than Akuru. The reason why we are finding it very challenging now, why leaders, or even MPs get out of parliament and they get very broke, is not because they don't have money. It's because abongo se tunga klanyana to the extent of demanding to be helped, begging. So we need to talk to people to reduce on over dependency to other people. Nyate tunga keri bosses. Dumo yana pite suti dole boss. We need to talk to people to let people know the benefit of working hard. We need to let people know the benefit of IPT. Ajabi anu wachalo, lo sema pangmoni kakine yari, kano balasane. But in the nearby future, I will not be doing badly off by God's grace. So, the same way, let me first move away from that. I have no idea somewhere I beat. The same way, even in politics. People are just jumping into politics from nowhere. Dumunijo, a train mame, I mean, a train mame Iboreda. He has the guts that he wants to come to parliament. You will end up being more frustrated. The reason being, you will end up selling that small plot you have at home, and you will lose elections. Elections have become so commercialized. You don't have money, chances are that you will not win. If you win because of the favor of people, it So what we are trying to say is people need to be talked to. To avoid frustration, people need to be talked to. Let the government play its part. Let also responsible bodies, the psychiatric doctors and what have you, and mental health doctors, let those people be deployed respectively, and let people be examined, let people be talked to, let people be counseled. A lot is going on. Kampala, you don't expect, you cannot sleep in a at least about $100, which we cannot get easily. That is somebody's salary, full salary for rent. I'm talking about a teacher, a policeman. You get what I'm saying? I'm not talking about ministers, not a minister.
So what do you think? Itunga kwa nalibalaje unebongete ochalo lotojo boy tungo center. Why are people running away ochalo? Alo stable center.
Now, okawani ni ajai eponelo ajare tebe. Kopani bela kotanga ya siala mikini. Loka suband papa. Isa masia.
Ngama Elohim.
Edeki ejakait. Allah. Akona ya siala mikini bore bonwe. Ejai kopana kiru. Ejai, but a year, 2 years back, aje pole pa Gritori. Aje na buanga ngoliara edo. I think kariari unika. Edo abong bano la palo lo ngonete. Kanyete. Ate pakini bali lapio yari. Loba ulior. Loba bongo mosangestene karu. It really frustrated a lot. Amara ibor na jokuna. So odumundo ojo monebe. Pato ngolias bonebe. Ajara na hapa na chalona. Giri. So apotodo tunga otamata amono. How do we survive in town? Lua temete ejeneta etama ngera kwesi porotamata akemo town. Amote ndapaki ni joda. We pisi toso progolasi diobore na jai. Atama agwala na diobore Otomo Trading Center. Dodo urban settings, a town is very addictive. Chone training, and Nike training. Aite eumeme, te TV, lots of video. Bongoro radio de chone kite training wana abongoro chalo noi. So that training wana jene betting. No me loga. Odumi kilo kumina kaisa kanyango na rapatari, rapote uni. Ere million. Chone training wana nyuno chalo noi. So nevertheless, our request is people still need to be talked to.
So, but should people be blamed for Anyuno Chalo Abunerebo Center?
No. We cannot say Bonebe Etunga Ngunu Kerala Apoto Town when they came because of ATIOKISIO Majasi. A Jaichelu Opoto Anyutu Ationis Sota Bunera Sota is succeeding in town. Unyaja Jolo, the only God has put you, Amarati Marbe, God has put, but it is a normal thing when we call it Kijibore. Irengono Jaka. Kwenye pele kijalo pia temar bonwe jijime beti. Are parinyoni. Akoro. You are supposed to be blamed. But there are those, we are aware that almost wealthy people, 80% of wealthy people are not in the formal sector. Almost 80, akise kanyo nikire percentage.
Era ya Gulanaraka.
Gulanaraka.
Subusin.
Subusin. Ye subusingoni akoru contracts. Nena just kikapo. Bongo yo chala dai dumuni yabaka mutana mutani jene wo na kawangi na jai tunga la baka bonwa do ka mutani mon.
Jai sola baka Chila Enterprise.
Bukene wana pa bongo lo sa somiki eboro. It's doing well. So idumuni jo bonebe. In one way or the other, people need to be talked to, And then the other thing is people should be also try to anyo ne porelo iperoni aingalauti idowon oponguti don I step in a normal trend kakula nyata. And one of those ways is akron wekito. The more we have trees, the more electorally automaboisho woko. Konyene ilemaro ne kito automaboisho woko. Idumuni jo elwanyari akiruda. Ase elwanyari akiruda ado. Odumuni jo epianakur. Epianuakur abongu nete so town. Ibongu so town. Obodo sa nake churu babae. Inaka le churu babae. Kidukota mo kagan.
Okay.
Ibu bijo nachomwe.
Abubeo.
So, ngo papa moit. Aile pakti na balongo ikore tunga irata nyoni.
Ekito.
Sedang teteroni ikito muni ngara kita ngara utenyoni idowon.
Are you planting any trees at the moment?
Oh, that is really that is one of the projects that nesbi na bomu nongo kumida. Ajenga krono era ikito. This is my second year. Mamongo era yo reka noi. Arengo etwenelo akalona irekin bonebe. One of the problems we have as a region, a sub-region, that frustrates rains is ikito. So abuango just work at a organization, this company, this. I am still on the process to make it a small NGO, a CBO, but I'd registered it with URSP Berani. So I make requisitions to National Forestry Authority to give me a certain number of trees. Then I collide with Imwalimun government institutions, Berakopana. Though I am trying to focus on Areni, I'm going to be a Lomarong area. But for is the management abuanga pedo alemu nekito karuja alemu tankito idis lukumine kanyeuni abuanga pedo akoraki ni somero idis ongero kumi municipality is very somero wa poto la masa yanga sekito ebi yani bongorto ngochalo bu headmaster lo chapo headmaster lo obaza eja kaitoligo France ko nama kingi semala jalo bia wani ko ni boro e pale tedo a chamotu.
So in every institution ikito elijani kinijo nara is a dotted approach.
Right there ko pan dotted by nara our kobremo awtawanya are pedalaso loda kwape mama nara re trenlo are expert and wakira when come to soils alupoto Kerabodo, which ikito will grow in the other. So I write to NFA asking for seedlings. I rarely specify. But then I call, then I get a friend who can interpret to me exactly which seedlings. Anibolu. So, kopani bi anabuanga pera ijane kini isomero ibere kiturido sa patare apatauni.
I did the same. Olapa le wongonet la tubore. Abungo e morikin ke di papero. So that sakora no wikito otemwera ke de shebo show. So do bongo e morikin ke da tukot ne baka ite kama.
Yes.
You know teso karamoja media station. Ke de chetunga katoka be foundation ejasi lwa de keshanyo opote morikinosa. So ba kirita so tera ikito. Konyopo ni nyisengo bomuya. Ijase so ekore kito. What do people need now? Ekotostungi kito arabi nyamat. Let me ask you that question.
Bujo bongo kibiye.
Abunga salele linga baka ekotostungi kito arabi nyamata kopana. Mamingi stajai ngisatengin.
No, nara dilinga birongo kedi somero. Maybe when I go to people's individual homes.
Yes.
Is when I expect a lot of questions.
So you brought the idea of sensitization. I choro bereni tunga. So what is your approach now? What approach are you taking for sensitizing the communities?
Actually, anero kengenye una atamitongo aimoro keda managers radio ni yare unikwen. Yare Mama FM Bukedia, Jakaitpol Kapengole, keda Elton Continental FM umi. Ikota anyo ne pono edumuna chinyakena paki. Radio nangu atamata. Enera kinosikere tunga. Atamita mo enera nare keda papa RDC dalo kumi. Jakaitu washaki. Anyo no toma programs kie. Kwa minilu jakitanyesi jani kinyongeso radio nangu apugat. Kiechinga kibere areda kana kaisare ya kaiseuni. Atamata enera nagi nikere tunga. Konjabo do engo waika pape engo. Nara iborulu atamito ngwa moe partners le pata som kedengo. Ana mambera ngado muneti. Abjai beranga boyi. At least for now 2 years karuye kede karulo. Mamu ejino mamedole to so tungo joko konya atamito ngo pedora. Ejai doti ngamuno rai adumenge tunga le pata som kedengo. Ki ilo si ochalo. Eroka correct to through the sub county guidance. Amora takere tunga amedani kitwalu ajoksuna ara kito ajoksuna ni edohon weyon tikito ajoksuna investing in trees for a long term benefit toda jenga muno atije paki angesine karwalo prapedenga ejawne ngagugum na pedoranga somburum amena ngalope alomare nare chesan it is good to be found on the way walking ite darita basa bunere so amena kwanengo aige dodo epotudo epaje ni cheba kasmun bale cheta kirona la sao pakinos alo site chora tanyone itungada na choro jo atemate bonu beja kisine ekito elu kumita nginire oyanga ekiti etomono ira ikoreje kitolo etomono rekon
an ijenji boreje petar tunga kito eje bitunga kito anu agulanar anu adu munika pundu atipet so anunyo mamechora kintunge be otitingo rosberry cartomon and then jo kapali lobinga ikapa anu kito adumu ne species ngon lepedo tunga agulanar makache iraikini jo ogulari iraikini ogulari if that is what we want
nyesungo pongul ko pana ajenga lo maretoma kupana nali mweto ngojo monebe I had no knowledge specifically the soils and the species that would match our soils. So abudongo aomo iborena so danga tamar bonbe it's better amora takeda pajan are pajani disulwe jas keda jenena erokongo applyinga ikito for next year. Nara ambaka yango biana jongo soroti be ara bo applyinga lapalo ekanyete uni konyabo nga tema bonebe akona mora tayanyu bonebe lapalo ekanyete uni chesa no mije ne pole jatarenyo itepesene mina na twaki asikitolwe po edoliti dongo akitingori asoda nga applyinga okaru the earlier the better so te dokeza jake no papier alipa kwenye erokonga applyinga ajai kwa nengo amoni kida time ja pese apaja nakana soma da agriculture ara kiti Paulina akota e moro kida pese na anyu bonebe ani balu poto ani bonyo soma na kida yani be kito soma na kida lupoto na I meda ikini tunga kalona ikarbu basai dodo ngune kito ngesi applying specifically ayaunu trade kainyo opolo unity ejakere bole maseta kipi otomaluko konetunga alimo etengo ngunuda nisipija barango jiboni we need to get an expert in some of these things kwenye bebere lubia na korate ngo MET yakito ngona baki MET asoda akora eucalyptus edis asoda adomono makamia Asura kadumu kasia something ngaji no joko
Giant Gashia rabu giant lira
Iba ashobere ko nga agriculture bala bwa nga kisini yatu
amache so ngungesi jay tatam join seseno kingang na to musawalo jay yo to ma TV East ido jay ne inera ponelo ainya kuni tunga otoma ATIOKISIO no jata tunga kwa ndo akera to mo center edo mte research lo isoma ile meja kato moite be ekertungo center akerto chala lo stable center narai emambi borni soma ito chalo nara pontido ni kiaros ije boyore to puruch parne bong emamji los msiri mwana kolong sinyo bedi yaswam so iche tungalo apiriaka opotui kwa exai ije askeda kine opotogola sa kinolo stage ona isubiso center icheo leje askeda skills opotoloto tage on kesi saloon soto mo center icheo opotoloto tage ona swamburo luarere betting etungana na du mikelo 14 kwa tare mambo ngone chamna nyuna bongoro chalo borokaun so ngezita mtai bonbe pone bani ibongora swam akironwe posik to moichalo
le marakala nyando
to matunga na weche ko to makiro muno tacha ware bono suggesting aja ka to moit nges bonbe are ba wanyu ni white ni chie loinya kuni doko otoma ai boy show no ja situnga pon la ngala ndo ko ba bongo ngese pone ngonlo ai rai kito nko bane ja situnga lo echie disin isomaite nges da bolota somike koral ke kito 10 soda echie ngoda korarti kito wera keda paprika nejena ka baka ipoli na bina osodi bote kama porsa koras bikito to mosoroti abet ba korar sererda abet salo serer so etamtanyo epone bani nya kunoni do won tetere tunga bongorete aswam borole jokuka tumochalo productive work akor kapa jenion bakor ngesi dumani kinoni borole po ido jai lo sakonya keda ke program to mosawa lo jazz jokeda kona misho ibuni ai lipijo jokunto monamba ngoli wanje jai kwa kuna alabira kon tetere tupakini anyu no be nunyo kabo ikotojo ikeona ikoto mo program ijongin ipero atupakina program ipero yo alo sitoma new vision na website odumunjo TV East and wasesen so live ara mpero ya tupakina toma arebo YouTube TV East Uganda arebo tomo Facebook TV East arebo mpero ya downloading application tomo simu kon joli just kede smartphone bala ka lokwa na pero ya gwekin tomo simu kon ne bakai the Vision Digital Experience app osorijo adomuna TV East anuja tupana kina kironu kere just yo kede zuku decoder gwekinja channel akaisa kanyape kede idopet anuja tupakina program lo joko so do tomo radio ko si jai kede top radio anuja tupena ni program suliche lumamji pedora seseno toma o TV kodo bera luma sagola na rdo na bungu na lusa kwenye kede ko program sel kunyaka wai koto my Airabet walk buna itatama kironu achen kwa mna kede ja utine lo engarno nelo districta alo soroti